This stunning home offers 2738 square feet of a beautifully designed living space and is located in the highly desirable Boulevard community. Welcome to 5521 Gracen Way, right here in heart of Dublin. Let me show you and we will take a road tour together. The interior is fully updated with a sleek, modern look, custom paint, and stylish finishes that create a bright, welcoming atmosphere. Every detail has been thoughtfully designed to offer both comfort and functionality. This home blends luxury, convenience, and lifestyle in one incredible package. If you have been waiting for a move-in ready home in Dublin, this is the one you don't want to miss. For taking a tour with us today. If you have any question regarding this property or any other property, reach out to me. I will see you Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at the open house. Don't miss this home.